Hello friends, God bless you and welcome. On today's video, I am making some easy, homemade turkey stuffing. And I thank you so much for stopping in. Friends, if you're looking for easy, homemade turkey stuffing, you came to the right video. Thank you so much for stopping in. Today's video is a collaboration called Holiday Dishes from Around the World, and the hosts are the Grace Life DIY channel, Miss Anna, and I am also your host, Penny, from Penny's Lifestyle Living channel. We have our beautiful co-host. We have Miss Simone from Simone's Creations, and we have Miss Lisa from Living Life with Lisa, and many more beautiful creators who will share their holiday dishes from around the world. There will be a playlist, so please stop by. All of the beautiful creators who will prepare a dish. Now let's get into this recipe. As you first saw in the video, you're first going to need a box or two of Jiffy cornbread. You will need a box or two, according to how much you're making, of your stovetop stuffing. Now you choose what type you like, and all you have to do is follow the recipe on the box for the Jiffy cornbread and the stuffing. Good friends, this is a turkey stuffing. I love the pork sausage better, but because I'm cooking this for a family member and he don't eat pork, you can use turkey or pork. It's up to you, and you definitely have to fry it first. Now, get some herb seasoned from your local grocery store, breadcrumb, herb seasoned breadcrumb. I use this because you don't want your stuffing to be mushy. We hate mushy stuffing, no mushy stuffing, okay? So I just use approximately about 2 cups with this. So according to how much you're making, you may have to just add more. Here's where I added my fried turkey meat into the mix. Friends, I'm only adding onion powder and some garlic powder with this. I don't add salt with this because there is season in the stovetop stuffing. Now, when you make that on the stove, make sure you make it a little with extra water because you don't want it too thick, because remember, you're going to mix it in your dry ingredients. And also make sure you get some extra chicken broth. Make sure that you have enough, so just in case you don't really have enough of liquid in the stove top stuffing mix. Now you can also do your own homemade cornbread if you don't like Jiffy cornbread. But guys, I am semi-easy cooking, and I try to make my life easy because I don't like to cook too much in the kitchen. But when it's the holidays, sister got to get in here and stir up a little something. So I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Now, if you don't like sausages in it, you can use some turkey meat or anything, crab meat. It's up to you. So you can enhance this, change this, tweak this, however you want. I'm just giving you a easy version. So welcome to Penny's semi-cooking kitchen, when she make cooking easy. And my lovely friends, don't forget to add a couple of teaspoons of margarine. Margarine, yes, I said margarine, yes. But if you want butter, that is fine. But I'm using margarine, okay, guys? one day, don't know when, I will show you the complete homemade version. But with that, you have to make sure you have a chopper because you have to chop onions, you have to chop celery, you have to chop bell pepper. But I just wanted to make your life easy and give you the semi version. I was doing this for years, and I'm telling you, I love it. My children love it. We love it. And make sure you have enough wet ingredients. That's why y'all going to need some extra chicken broth just in case you don't have enough liquid. And that's it, guys. That is it. Just keep stirring until you get all those dry ingredients made, because you don't want to see the breadcrumbs in there. And I don't want it to look like a stovetop stuffing. And that's the thing about this. If you do it like this, it won't look like you bought it out the store. Next, get your baking pan, baking dish, and I'm using some Pam spray, but you also can use butter in this to make sure it don't stick. Set your oven around 375 or 400. And guys, it's going to take approximately 35 to 45 minutes to bake. It just depends, okay? So let it bake and get a brown crust, not burnt, because you don't want it to be mushy. So make sure y'all let this cook, okay? And that's why I put a little bit of butter or margarine in there, okay? Because this is cornbread stuffing. And also, friends, as you see in the back, I just bought me an Instant Pot. And I had to call Miss Melissa Buckeye Reef and find out how to use this thing. But I'm telling you, this thing is so amazing. I made some collard greens with some smoked turkey, but I've had to put the smoked turkey in there. And if y'all ladies who cook, y'all know that thing take a couple of hours to tender. Man, I don't know why I ain't got one of these pressure cookers. It only took 20 minutes, and I will do a video on that soon. But guys, I love my Instapot. And this is not sponsored by Walmart, but guys, go to Walmart. They already started their Black Friday sale, and this was only $50. I am so glad I bought one. So go and get one. I let it bake about 45 minutes. 40 to 45 minutes. Now, like I said, I like a little crust to it, but not burnt. And if you don't want it mushy, let it cook. Okay, guys, this is the finale. And also, I got some turkey gravy on this, and I needed my cranberry sauce. Oh, guys, I'm telling you, I just had to stop and grab me a bite of this. I wish y'all could taste this. I wish this was really a live show. Honey, I'm telling you, can't go wrong. But don't limit yourself on what type of meat you can put in it. Last year, I put turkey in this. I always do the sausages. You could do the pork or the turkey. And honey, if you don't like the stovetop, honey, you can make this homemade. But it takes a little longer process to get that flavor in it. I don't have time to be doing all that all the time. But I can make time if I really need to. But I thank y'all so much, and I hope y'all got an inspiration out of this in cooking your homemade turkey sausage. They wouldn't even know it was a box, and don't tell them. Thank y'all. If you're new today, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. God bless y'all. I appreciate everyone and all my faithful friends. God bless you. And just know next month, we will be back on December the 14th. So get that holiday dish ready and come on and jump on in this with us. I appreciate everyone, all our beautiful co-hosts and family. Thank you, Miss Anna, for putting this together. God bless y'all, and y'all have a blessed holiday. Love you from Penny.